So with that psychology, you always waking up with a positive mindset, getting your day started with getting going on your job. So also, once you get on the job where you're detailing, you want to also feed off the energy of your client when you first interact with them, and give them something to be excited for. Show them that you're professional, show them that you're ready to get going, show them that you're going to do a good job on their vehicle. Always seem knowledgeable and confident in what you're going to deliver, and making sure you communicate that to them. So after you do that, man, the energy that comes is doing the vehicle to your best ability.